Welcome back, guys. I hope all of you will be fine. So this is question 4.59, and the statement of this question is, if a random variable x is defined such that e of x minus 1 whole square is equal to 10 and e of x minus 2 whole square is equal to 6, find mu and sigma square. Okay, where mu is basically the mean and sigma square is the standard deviation. So let me solve it first, and in solving it, first we have here two equations, which are e of x minus 1 whole square equal to 10 and e of x minus 2 whole square equal to 6. Okay, so as we have here these equations, okay, we have here these equations, so let me follow a very well known equation, which is a minus b whole square equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay, following it here, what would I get here? In both of these equations we will get x square minus 2x plus 1 equal to 10, and in the other equation I will get x square minus 4x plus 4, this is equal to 6 as well. Okay, now again formulating the strategy such that we have previously seen in our previous questions, that e of a x plus b, this is equal to what? This is equal to the multiplicative factor will be outside of this expected value of x, while the constant term will be same. It is applying the same formulation here. What would we get here? We would get expected value of x square minus 2 expected value of x, and expected value of 1 will be, as this is the constant, so it will become 1 as well, and here we will have 10. Similarly for this one, e of x square minus 4 e of x plus 4 here. Okay, and this is equal to 6. Okay, so now subtracting 1 from both sides of the first equation, we will get here e of x square minus 2e of x, this is equal to 9, and similarly in the other equation we will get e of x square minus 4 e of x, this is equal to 2. Why? Because of subtracting 4 from both sides. So let me here perform some substitution. So in that substitution, let me take e of x square equal to what? Let me call it p, and let me take e of x equal to q. Okay, so this is p and q, and putting them here, what would I get here? It would become p minus 2q equal to 9 and p minus 4q equal to 2. So let me call it equation A, and let me call it equation B. Okay, so now in order to find the values of p and q, what do we have to do? We have to, let me subtract equation B from equation A. So let me write them here. We will get here p minus 2q equal to 9 and p minus 4q equal to 2. Okay, so in subtraction the signs of them will change. It will become like this. So here these two will cancel out, and here it will come 2q equal to 7, or q will become 7 by 2. Okay, so this is what q is. Now in order to find the value of the other unknown variable, which is p, let me put the value of q in A. Let me take the value of q, put it here. So what would I get? It would become 2 multiplied by 7 by 2 equal to 9. Okay, these two will cancel out, and ultimately the value of p would become what? The value of p would become 16. Okay, so this is the value of q, this is the value of p. Okay, but here we have seen that p is basically e of x square and q is e of x. So let me put these values here. So p is 16 and q, which is e of x, that is 7 by 2. Okay, so this is basically the answer of ex square and e of x, while we can very clearly see that this is basically mu, which is the mean of the random variable we have here. So this is the mu. Now in order to find the value of the sigma square, we know that this is equal to e of x square minus mu square. Okay, let me put their values. So here e of x square is how much? This is known and this is 16. So 16 minus 7 by 2 is basically 3.5. So 3.5 square. Okay, so finding it out, it would become what? It would become 3.75. Okay, so the value of the standard deviation is also found out, and this is 3.75 and this is sigma square. Okay, so the value of mean is also found out here, and the value of standard deviation is also here. So that's it for today. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment box. See you soon.